What's up, guys? It's your boy. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to make wobbly platforms. It's actually really easy. There's just a few key steps you gotta follow. So first, we want to make a part. Make it fairly. The size depends on how wobbly you want the platform to be. Smaller platforms will probably be less wobbly than large platforms, so I'm just going to be doing a medium platform for this example. And then what you want to do is make a good platform on top of that one. Make it small, very small actually. The amount of wobbling that you'll get is based on the size of the actual There we go. That should be pretty good. Now what you want to do is, for the bottom of that, we want to make it a hinge. And then what we want to do is copy that. Make sure you rotate it. Not that way. Like that. There we go. And then I prefer to do it this way, but you can do it with the arrow directional movement. But I prefer to put it just straight into the part so that way that it's connected right to it. So there you go, you have the two hinges connected to each other. And then what I want to do is turn collision off of them, but anchor this top one. Keep collision for this, but do not anchor this part. Only keep collision, do not anchor. And then this one has no collision, it's not anchored. And this one has no collision, and it's not anchored. So they should all be connected now. There we go, that should work. Oh, and it fell. Boy. I forgot to move the other hinge. Yep, I did. So if you're moving it, don't forget to move all the parts. There we go. And then that should work. Oh, I guess it doesn't. So, oh, there we go. Sometimes you might need to reload it because it doesn't work, but there we go, we got a wobbly platform. And then of course, if you want, you can move the actual thing, the hinge, around. The hinge placement controls the amount of wobbliness on the platform, or wobbliness. So, depending on how wobbly you'd like your platform to be, you can change up how or where the hinge is. So, for example, you can see that it's much more tilted now, and it's probably going to be a lot more wobbly if you do that in here. But yeah, that's pretty much how you make wobbly platforms. I hope that helped for anybody confused. One final tip, make sure that they are connected, but not inside each other. If they're inside, then it won't work. And that's all the advice I have for you today. Thank you.